You probably haven't seen an aircraft like this before. Sitting at the center of 4 large discs, each disc contains 25 drones, meaning a total of 100 drones can lift you into the air. To minimize the drone's weight, the parts on the propellers are made of titanium, and the propellers themselves are made of carbon fiber, making the drone's weight as light as 195 kilograms. The cockpit design is equally simple, featuring just an LCD screen in front and a single control stick. Its base has 6 mechanical legs, which can be used for landing and takeoff on land. Due to its hollow design, the drone can also land on water. Unlike other aircraft, this flying machine is classified as an ultra-light-powered aircraft, meaning you can operate it even without a pilot's license. This is thanks to the drone's semi-autonomous capabilities. With the help of a computer, anyone can experience real flight after just an hour of training on a simulator. So, are you interested in trying it out?